Madam, bakit madam? Madam naman. This one. It's the residence. And beside also is the sister, the aunt of Madam. Susan, si Juni, natikaman si Lala, o sinusunod siya, Susan. Yung tawag ko sa kanya kaya Susan, si Madam Sam, si Sisi, it's inside.